Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Sun Joe XTREAM SPX3000 pressure washer. I already had this pressure washer for over 3 years now, and you can see that this thing is a beast. I love this pressure washer. It's very strong and it fits all the needs that I need it for. I like how it has an extra long extension cord. It has your wand. It has all these different attachments for the nozzles. It brings a brush that you can wash your car with, and even this to put it inside your wheels. It even has a foam cannon, so you could use your foam to really wash your car. Extra long extension cord, so you could travel with it as much as you want. And the wand itself, very long. The material is a nice metal material, and it's very easy to take on and off to switch out the nozzles. So here is the on and off button. This is where you attach your garden hose to it.